This Folktale YouTube channel has grown up to over 6K subscribers within the space of just 2 months. And if you look at YouTube right now, you can see that these Folktale channels are really trending and are making quite some amount of money. Now, this channel alone makes up to $1.5K per month. And in this tutorial, I will show you in details how to replicate this kind of videos and create monetizable short folktale story videos that you can actually make money from. Now, the very first thing you want to do, of course, is create a YouTube channel if you do not have already. I would attach a video to the end of this video on how you can create a YouTube channel just in case you are not familiar with the process. And the next thing you want to do is optimize your channel name. Now, your channel name should be really closely related to your niche just so it can stand out and be much visible in the YouTube search. For example, you can see this one is being folktale stories, you can see this one is being native African tales, you can see hilly tales, so it should be in relation to your niche. Now, the next thing you want to do is create content, and I'm going to be showing you an AI tool that can help you bulk generate large number of folktale videos in a very short time. Now, you can see that this particular AI tool can help you auto grow your channel, and with this AI tool you do not need to edit and you are able to create short videos just with a few clicks. And what you want to do is click start creating for free. You want to sign up and you want to log in. Once you log in, your dashboard should look something like this, and the next thing you want to do is start creating videos. So you want to head over to AI story video. Now, with this AI story video, you want to click on the background style. This is majorly about the style of the person who will be acting in the background or the style of the image. So I'm just going to pick this one here and we're going to click next. Now, you can see that while generating, or in order to generate a video with this particular AI tool, all you need is 4 simple steps in a couple of clicks. Now, we have the background, we have the script, the subtitle, and the audio. So now for the script, you want to select the template that your script is all about. And since our script is about folktales, we're going to scroll down to see which best relates with it, and that will be urban legend. You can see modern folktales rooted in local culture. So you want to click use it. And the next thing you want to do is put in your scripts. And in order to generate a script, I like to make use of DeepSeek in order to do that. So you want to head over to DeepSeek and you want to tell DeepSeek, you are my YouTube script writer. I am starting a YouTube channel on folktale stories. So give me 45 or give me a 45-second video script of an interesting folktale so that I can create content with. Now, it should be local, about people, so not about animals, and sound realistic. Use simple grammar just like the way I will talk. Now, DeepSeek has gone ahead to give us a very nice script that we can work with. And what we just want to do is we want to go ahead and copy this all the way up to the beginning. And now once you've copied that, the next thing you want to do is go back to our AI tool and paste it. But for now, we need to add the video starting hook. And for the video starting hook, we're going to look at what hook that DeepSeek has given us. So you can see it's about a clever farmer, Kofi, and a greedy spirit. So our hook can be Kofi and the greedy spirit. So we're going to go back here and we're going to type that. Now for our video ending call to action, we can simply just add subscribe. And of course, our script length is 45 seconds. So we're going to tick 30 to 60 seconds and we want to click generate script. It has already given us an automated script, but because we have our own, which is much more, engaging and more relatable to people, we are going to delete all of this. So Control A and we can delete it and we want to paste in our own script. So we can just cut out all these things in brackets here. Now you can see and endeavor to give space just like I did when it comes to moving into the next background so that there can be some break in between before the next line. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to click on next and you want to add a subtitle and you want to tick or you want to choose whichever of the subtitle resonates more with you. So I'm just going to choose this one here and I'm going to click on next. Now for the audio, you want to tick which of the audio resonates with you. Now if you are choosing the audio, I will suggest that you choose just one particular voice that you are going to be using throughout your channel because this channel is about folktales, so you want to use one voice. So now we're going to choose female, and for the age you want to choose whichever, whether young, middle-aged or old, and I'm just going to choose middle-aged. and I'm going to scroll down, and now there are several options for the voices, and you can easily click this play icon to preview which of the voices that you prefer. So I'm just going to scroll down and choose Ashley because it's perfect for narrations and storytelling. Then if you want a background music, you can tick here, and you can increase the music volume as high as you want or as low as you want. And you can also preview the background musics to see whichever resonates with you and just tick any of them. And if you do not want background music, you can tick this off. So we do not want background music, and just in a click of a button, we can generate our video. Now, our video is going to take just a few minutes, and once it has gotten to this point, you can safely leave this page, and in a matter of minutes, your video will be ready. Now, once your video is ready, what you want to do is go all the way to My Projects, and here you can see your videos, and you can easily post directly to your YouTube channel or any of your other socials, which makes it even easier and better. All you need to do is just connect your socials, or you can simply click here to download it, and it will be downloaded directly to your device, and you can upload it directly to YouTube. So this is how our video looks like.
Kofi and the Greedy Spirit. Kofi was a hard-working farmer, but no matter how much he planted, his crops always failed. One day, while digging, he found a tiny golden pot. Out popped a spirit who said, "I'll grant you the best harvest of your life, but you must share it with everyone in the village." Kofi agreed, and true enough, his farm flourished. But greed got the better of him. He started hiding his crops, refusing to share. The spirit returned, furious, and said, "You broke your promise. Now, you'll lose everything." And just like that, Kofi's farm turned barren. So, what do you think? Would you have shared like Kofi promised? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe.
So this is amazing, and with just clicks of buttons, we were able to generate this all using AI. And the name of this AI tool is Short AI. And of course, you can leverage this, and you can be able to create multiple amounts of videos. However, in order to do this, you need to be subscribed to the pricing plan, and with the pricing plan you can be able to create up to 180 faceless videos per month. And you can see the basic is 19 per month, pro is 30 per month, and the enterprise is 60 per month. And this is a fair price given the amount of features and the very little work you have to do. And to leverage this AI tool and make the best use of it, some tips you need to do is to post 1 to 3 times daily on your YouTube channel, and this AI tool can help you achieve that. And another thing you want to do is use interesting story ideas. Another thing you want to do is you want to leverage your YouTube analytics to know the kind of folktale stories that are currently doing well, and you want to double down on those. And most importantly, you need to show up every day. Your channel will not blow up overnight, but if you do this just the way I show you, then you have a very, very great chance of making the most out of this particular folktale story channel. Now, in order to monetize your channel, which is the most important part, you can monetize your channel with YouTube ad revenue. Another way you can monetize this YouTube channel is through brand deals and promotions, and also by selling affiliate products. So you can literally start making money with this faceless channel from day one. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. Make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions. I will be super glad to answer. And do not forget to subscribe. Make sure to turn on the notification bell icon so when next I drop a new video, you will be the first to see it. I will be attaching a video on how to create a YouTube channel to the end of this video so you can start leveraging on this particular AI tool. Feel free to rewatch from the beginning if you need to go over it step by step. Click the video on the screen right now to learn how you can create a YouTube channel if you do not know how to. And ciao.